Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Blood West game crashes at startup or crashing to desktop, freezing problem on PC. And this is for the Epic Games users. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to modify the game launch option. So open Epic Games, then click on this three dot next to Blood West game and then click on manage and then turn on the launch options. And here type -dx11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game manage and this time in the launch option type -dx12, close the tab, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the game manage and then remove the launch options and also toggle off the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 2 is to turn off cloud saves. So open Epic Games, click on this three dot, then click on manage and then turn off cloud saves and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then again go to the game manage and then turn on cloud saves and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. So open C drive, open program files, open Epic Games folder, open Blood West folder and then select Blood West exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings, then click on allow another app, click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files folder, open Epic Games folder, open Blood West folder, select Blood West exe file and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked, then click on OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well. Or you can also simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 4 is to perform a clean installation of graphics card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to this AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and then reinstall it. And then you can launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you are on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue and then select custom advanced option. So check mark custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box. So check mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 5 is to run the game from game installation folder or run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Epic Games, click on this three dot next to Blood West game and then click on manage. And next to installation, click on this folder icon. This will open the game installation folder. Now double click this Blood West exe file and see if that helps or not. If not, then right click on this Blood West exe file and then select properties. And then go to the compatibility tab, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode 4. From drop down here select Windows 8 and then hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then check mark disable full screen optimization option and then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then untick all these 3 boxes, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6 is to run the game on dedicated graphics card driver. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files folder, open Epic Games folder, open Bloodwest folder, select Bloodwest exe file and then click on add. After adding it, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to verify the game files. So open Epic Games, click on this 3 dot next to the Bloodwest game, then click on manage and then click on verify next to verify files. And after the 100% of verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to delete Bloodwest save data. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress as well as saved settings. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to delete the Bloodwest save data. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data over here, then click on this view, so and check mark hidden items and then open the app data folder, then open local log folder, then open hyper strange folder. Here you will see the Bloodwest save data folder. Copy it and then go to the desktop and then paste it to keep the backup. And after keeping the backup, right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description. And once you are on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 and x86 version, download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Then next click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restarts, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fiction is to disable overlay. So disable Discord overlay, launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner. Click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadowplay overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, RivaTuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up the RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Next solution is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So open Epic Games, click on this 3 dot and then click on uninstall, and then again click on uninstall to confirm, and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then reinstall the Bloodwest game. Reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing into another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by this way, you can easily fix Bloodwest game crashing, crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, or freezing problem on PC on Epic Games. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.